Our next question says, a truck is stationary and has a bob suspended by the light string in the frame attached to the truck. The truck suddenly moves to the right with an acceleration a. The pendulum will tilt in which direction? Interesting problem. So let's assume that this is the truck. Okay, let me make it little big because I'll have to draw the FBD also, free body diagram also. And this is a string and this is a bob attached to it. The truck is moving in the forward direction. In which direction the bob will experience a force? Sir, of course, backward direction. Pseudo force if you have done, right? So let's assume at any instant the bob is like this. At any instant the bob is like this, and this is the vertical initial position. Because of the inertia, the bob will go on the left hand side, correct? Let's see what are the forces acting on it. So here downward in direction, it's the weight of the bob mg, and here it is tension T, and pseudo force acting here ma, correct? A is the forward acceleration of the truck, so pseudo force will be acting on the left hand side. Let's draw the FBD here properly. So here we have tension T, mg downward, and ma in this direction. Let's go back to the problem. What does it says? The truck suddenly starts, okay, and it moves to the right with an acceleration a. The pendulum will tilt in. Okay, now if you look at the options, they are saying with the angle we have to find, right? So let us assume this angle theta, then this will be angle theta over here, right? Correct? So that is theta, so that will be alternate angle and you can say it theta. Now let's split our tension force. It will be T cos theta upward in direction, right? And T sin theta on the right hand side. We can split it. Now T cos theta is equalized by the weight, which is mg, and T sin theta, that is equalized by the pseudo force ma. This is equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Let's divide equation 2 with equation 1. That will give us sin theta whole divided by cos theta, that will be equals to ma upon mg. Let's cancel out because T already cancelled, right? Tension T cancelled on both the equations when you divide it. M also get cancelled and we left with tan theta, that will be equals to how much? A upon g. Clear it is? And this implies theta is nothing but tan inverse A by g. Oh, we have two options with this, option B and option D. Let's read them. B says to the left, and the angle of inclination of pendulum with the vertical is tan inverse A by g. To the left, option D, and angle of inclination of the pendulum with the vertical is tan inverse g by A. So look at this, this is tan inverse A by g, that's option B is the correct answer.